Do you know why some people seem to struggle with persistent bad luck or financial difficulties? While many factors can contribute to these challenges, the presence of certain objects in your home might be a hidden cause. Your surroundings and the items within them can influence your energy and experiences in ways you might not realize. In this discussion, we will explore 7 objects that are often associated with attracting bad luck and poverty into your home. Understanding these can help you make informed choices about what to keep in your living space. First on our list are broken or damaged items. A broken mirror, chipped dishes, or torn furniture might seem like minor inconveniences, but they can have a larger impact on your home's energy. Broken items are often seen as symbols of disarray and negativity. They can create an environment of neglect, which may contribute to feelings of instability and attract misfortune. Repairing or replacing these damaged items can help restore a sense of order and positivity in your home. Next, consider the impact of clutter. Accumulating unnecessary items and failing to maintain a clean and organized space can create stagnation. Clutter often symbolizes unresolved issues and mental disarray, which can extend into other areas of your life. An environment filled with clutter can attract negative energy and create obstacles, making it more challenging to achieve financial stability and success. Regularly decluttering and organizing your space can help foster a more positive and productive atmosphere. Another object to be mindful of is old or unused items, particularly those related to past hardships. Old clothing from a time of financial struggle or items connected to difficult memories can carry residual energy. These objects can inadvertently keep you tied to past negative experiences and hinder your ability to move forward. Evaluating the sentimental value and emotional impact of these items can help you decide whether to keep, donate, or discard them. Similarly, items associated with negative experiences or feelings should be reconsidered. Objects that remind you of past arguments, failures, or disappointments can perpetuate negative energy in your home. Whether it's a gift from a difficult relationship or a piece of furniture tied to unhappy memories, removing these items can help create a more positive and supportive environment. Surrounding yourself with objects that uplift and inspire can contribute to better overall energy and well-being. Next, consider the impact of items that symbolize financial hardship. This includes things like empty wallets or piggy banks that have seen better days. While these items might seem harmless, they can serve as reminders of financial struggle and attract similar energy. Replacing or updating these objects can help shift your focus from scarcity to abundance, aligning your environment with more positive financial energy. Similarly, items that bring negative symbolism into your home should be addressed. For example, certain decorative items or symbols associated with bad luck in various cultures, such as broken or faded talismans, can influence the energy of your space. Being mindful of the cultural or symbolic meanings attached to your decor can help you choose items that promote positivity and ward off negativity. Expanding on the impact of the objects in your home, let's explore a few more aspects that can contribute to negative energy and financial challenges. One critical area to consider is the presence of outdated or unused gifts. Gifts that have lost their significance or come from strained relationships can carry emotional baggage. These items, even if they appear innocuous, can inadvertently keep you connected to past negativity and block your path to new opportunities. Evaluating the emotional resonance of these gifts and making decisions about their place in your home can be a step toward clearing away old energies. Additionally, consider the state of your home's entryway. This space, often referred to as the mouth of qi in feng shui, plays a crucial role in how energy flows into your home. An entryway cluttered with old shoes, unused coats, or broken items can create obstacles for positive energy and prosperity to enter. Ensuring this area is clean, organized, and welcoming can set a positive tone for the energy that flows through the rest of your home. Small changes, such as updating the doormat or adding fresh flowers, can enhance the welcoming energy of the space. The condition of your home's windows can also be a subtle yet significant factor. Windows represent the eyes of your home and, by extension, your ability to see and receive opportunities. Dirty, broken, or obscured windows can symbolize a blocked vision or hindered opportunities. Regularly cleaning and maintaining your windows not only improves their functionality but can also metaphorically clear the way for better prospects and more vibrant energy to enter your life. Moreover, the colors and themes in your home's decor can impact the overall ambience. Colors have different associations and energies, and some might inadvertently contribute to negative feelings or financial struggles. For instance, dark or muted colors in excess can create a sense of heaviness or stagnation. Balancing these colors with brighter tones or incorporating uplifting patterns can help shift the energy in your home toward a more positive and supportive atmosphere. Choosing decor that reflects light and openness can foster a sense of abundance and vitality. Another important consideration is the type of artwork and imagery displayed in your home. Art can significantly influence the energy of a space, and images that convey themes of struggle or sadness can affect your mood and outlook. Opting for artwork that inspires, uplifts, and promotes positive emotions can transform your living space into a more optimistic environment. Art that reflects themes of prosperity, peace, and happiness can contribute to a more favorable atmosphere for both your personal and financial well-being. Holding on to items from past relationships or experiences that evoke negative emotions can create an underlying current of discontent. Letting go of these objects and focusing on items that bring joy and positivity can help shift the overall energy of your home. Creating a space that reflects your current aspirations and values can promote a more harmonious and fulfilling environment. As we continue to examine how objects in your home can impact your life, it becomes evident that attention to detail and mindfulness in your surroundings can make a significant difference. By addressing these elements and making conscious choices about what you keep and how you maintain your space, you can foster an environment that supports positivity, prosperity, and well-being. Here, consider the role of unused or outdated technology. Old electronics, outdated appliances, or non-functional gadgets can create a sense of stagnation and inefficiency. These objects can symbolize outdated ways of thinking and may contribute to a feeling of being stuck or unable to move forward. Updating or properly disposing of these items can help foster a more dynamic and forward-moving environment. So, the objects in your home can significantly impact your energy and experiences. By addressing broken or damaged items, managing clutter, evaluating old or unused items, removing objects associated with negative experiences, updating items related to financial hardship, and being mindful of negative symbolism, you can create a more positive and supportive environment. Making these changes can help attract better luck and financial stability, allowing you to foster a space that supports your overall well-being. As we wrap up our discussion on objects that may attract bad luck and poverty into your home, it's important to recognize the role that these items play in shaping your environment and experiences. By addressing and removing objects that carry negative energy or are associated with past difficulties, you can create a more harmonious and prosperous living space. This process of evaluation and adjustment can help shift the energy in your home and open the door to more positive outcomes. If you found this information valuable, please take a moment to like this video. Your support not only helps us understand what content resonates with you but also encourages us to continue sharing insights that can make a difference in your life. Each like is a sign of appreciation and motivation for us to keep producing helpful and engaging material. To ensure you stay updated with our latest content, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing means you won't miss any of our upcoming videos and discussions. It's a great way to keep up with new topics and ideas that can help enhance your life and environment. By subscribing, you're joining us on a journey of discovery and growth, and we're excited to have you with us. If you know someone who could benefit from this video, don't hesitate to share it with them. Whether it's friends, family, or colleagues, sharing this information can help others create a more positive and supportive living space. Your willingness to spread valuable insights contributes to a broader impact and helps us reach more people who might find this content useful. We also invite you to leave a comment below with your thoughts and experiences. Sharing your feedback, asking questions, or discussing how you've dealt with similar issues can create a rich exchange of ideas and support. Your comments are a valuable part of our conversation, and they help us understand what you're interested in and how we can better serve your needs. So, follow us on social media to stay connected and engaged. Our social media platforms offer additional content, updates, and opportunities to interact with us and the broader audience. By following us, you'll be able to stay informed about new videos, special announcements, and other exciting developments. Your engagement on these platforms helps us build a network of like-minded individuals who are interested in exploring and improving their lives. Thank you for joining us today and for your support. We hope you've gained useful insights into how certain objects can affect your home's energy and your overall well-being. By making conscious choices about the items you keep and maintaining a positive environment, you can create a space that fosters prosperity and good fortune. We look forward to bringing you more valuable content in the future and appreciate your continued involvement. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, and follow for more updates and insights. Your engagement is key to our ability to provide meaningful content and to continue exploring these important topics with you.